Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Web on Sky. Today we will learn how to copy our data from AWS to Azure. We may have a need, suppose we are migrating our environments from AWS to Azure. Obviously, we will need to copy our data from AWS to Azure. So what are the services and what are the steps required to do this? Let us see. In Azure, AZ Copy is a command line utility that you can use to copy blobs of files to or from a storage account. This article helps you to copy objects, directories, and buckets from Amazon Web Services S3 to Azure Blob Storage by using AZ Copy. How you will provide authorization credentials? We need a SaaS access token, that is shared access signature token, to get authorized to copy in or copy from a storage account, and the other authorization is required on S3. We should have a particular account and its access key ID and to access the data in S3 and copy it from there into Azure storage account. So before going forward, we would need a storage account in Azure. If we don't have already, we will need to create it a new storage account in Azure and create a container inside that storage account where we are willing to copy our data from S3 to Azure. Suppose we have already a storage account created, and once you have created your storage account, and once you try to get in that storage account, you will see a screen like this. And if you don't have any container, you will need to create a container from here and name it whatever you want. This will be the exact location where our data will get copied inside. So after creating that storage account, you will need to create a new container, and after clicking on this container, we will see a new screen from where we will generate a shared access token to get access of copying data into that container. So this is the screen of the particular container, and you will need to click on shared access token to get the access token so that we can use it while executing the command to copy inside this container of the storage account. If you will click on overview, you will see files and folders inside this container. If you already have something or already have copied, or after executing that command, you will see those files inside in this container. Now we have created Azure storage account, then container inside that storage account, and also have generated the shared access token to access the container. And now the step is to get access of access key and secret of AWS account. So what will be the step to get that credentials? Let us see. Here you will need to log in into your AWS console and go to users, and from users click on the particular user you want to get access from. So clicking on that particular user, click on the security credentials tab, and here you will need to generate a new access key, or if you already have, just use that one. You will get access key ID and a secret key when you will be creating this credential. So now we have access of AWS and storage account in Azure. So let us move ahead and see how we can start with the AZ copy. Suppose we have a Ubuntu server in Azure VM, and from that VM we will be trying to copy these data from AWS to S3. So, and the operating system is Ubuntu. So in our example, I'm taking Ubuntu as a operating system. So on Ubuntu, how we will, now we need AZ copy command line utility on our Ubuntu server. So how will we get that AZ copy command utility on our Ubuntu operating system? So let us see that. This is the command you can use to download the AZ copy, and then after downloading that GZ file, you will need to unzip it, and after unzipping you will see a AZ copy directory like this. You can refer this article as well to download the AZ copy if you have some other operating systems. So you can follow this documentation, and it is in very detailed and very clean and clear, so that you can just read and see how you can perform these commands on your operating systems accordingly. After getting the AZ copy on your Ubuntu server, now we need to set access key ID and secret access key on our terminal. So this is the command you can execute on your terminal directly. Just use export access key equals, this will be the exact access key ID you get from your AWS user, and this is the secret. You will need to paste it here. Once you did all these steps, now it is time to start copying data from S3 to Azure storage account or Azure blob, you can say. So this is an example of that command that we can use to copy a particular file from S3 to our Azure storage account or Azure blob. So in our example, test.txt is the file which resides inside my bucket of our AWS S3, and this is the one we want to copy, and it will get copied inside our container. This container will exist inside our storage account of Azure. So after successfully executing this command, this text.txt file will get copied inside this container, and you will be able to see that test.txt file after clicking on overview. You will see that file as a list. If you are on a Windows machine, you will need to keep in mind some instructions. You can see here, if you are running these commands on your CMD of Windows operating system, you will need to use double quotes instead of single quotes to avoid any such problem. And there are some other examples. You can refer this document, and you will get all your data copied inside your container. One more thing, if you are copying directory, you will need to append a recursive argument. This recursive is equal to true. This will be helpful to copy all your files inside a directory from S3 to Azure storage account. So you can keep this argument in all your commands just to avoid this directory of files issue. So it will not harm anything. So just you can keep with all your commands if you want. There is no problem. This is all I wanted to show you today in my today's video. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.